Okay, today we are going to work on adding mixed numbers with common denominators or like denominators. Here I have a simple equation, 3 4/5 plus 2 2/5. Let's take a moment to look at the equations and see if we can find any similarities. The first thing that I can see is that we have a common denominator of 5 and 5. This can be helpful because now we have a common denominator which makes working with this problem much easier. So the first thing I am going to do is to break this mixed number apart into its whole part, which would be 3, plus the fraction part, which is 4/5. And I will do the same to the second, breaking it into the whole number part of 2 plus 2/5. All right, now we have the whole part of these mixed numbers. We have 3 plus 2, which gives us 5. And we have our fraction portion, which we will have 6/5. Now, I can combine these together, so our answer would be 5 6/5. Well, let's take a look at this number because I see an improper fraction. The 6 is bigger than the 5, so we need to reduce. Now, there are a couple of ways we can reduce this. One of the easier ways to reduce would be to take the whole number portion and we will add it to our fraction portion. Well, we have 6/5. I know my denominator will stay 5, but I can get 6 in many different ways. I can get 6 by adding 5 plus 1. So if I look at this, I can rewrite it as 5 plus 5/5, or 5 5/5 plus 1/5. Now, we can combine like terms, but I notice another thing that is interesting is we have this number right here, 5/5. Well, if we have the numerator and the denominator are the same, this is equal to 1. Since we know that is equal to 1, we can rewrite this as 5 plus 1 plus 1/5. And we can then go to combine like terms. The first group of like terms will be 5 plus 1, and then we will add our fraction portion. So we will come up with a final answer of 6 1/5. And that is our answer. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again at AK Math. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.